Hey greatness, sometimes it's hard to maintain a high vibration, and I want to share with you 3 things that stop you from being in a high vibration so you can break free of them and really create the life that you want. So number 1 is understanding that your subconscious mind is not designed for you to be great, unfortunately. And so when you're trying to create great things in your life, when you're trying to do something new, when you're trying to go up the ladder of success, your mind doesn't like that, okay? Your subconscious mind is afraid of more. So that relationship that you want to be in, you know, it knows that may potentially lead to you getting hurt. That may lead to you feeling some sort of pain. That may lead to you losing your freedom. That may lead to you being cheated on. That may lead to you being unhappy. And so what it does is it protects you. There's a protection mechanism. Have you ever noticed that when you first fell in love, when you had your first love, you wasn't worried about what could go wrong? You was just in love, you was, up in the clouds, and you didn't have a care in the world, right? It was all about this person, and you was happy, and you felt stronger, and you felt more powerful. That's if you've been in love before. You know what it's like when your first love is like phenomenal. For a lot of people, that's their first experience with love. Then you have a breakup, then you have heartbreak, and now your subconscious mind associates love with heartbreak. So this is just one example. Maybe with money, you had problems and challenges with money, and so more money may lead to more danger subconsciously. And so for a lot of people, it's very hard for them to differentiate between, what they want and a part of them not wanting it. They don't realize it because it's subconscious. They feel like, I want this thing, they go after it, they have all of this sabotage, all these things go wrong, they're not understanding why. And I can clearly tell you from loads of experience, people, when they work with me one-on-one and we do subconscious mind stuff, they don't even realize what's inside the subconscious mind. They don't even realize what's holding them back. And so it's one of those things that people don't tend to acknowledge about themselves because they feel like it's just the external world, or they blame it on something else, or they point the finger at something else, or they blame themselves and they're not enough, or whatever it is. And that causes a lot of conflict. So I want you to know clearly right now that your subconscious mind is not designed for greatness. It's designed to keep you safe. It's designed to keep you alive, right? It's designed for survival. And so it will always go back to things that are comfortable. And so to break the chains of that, what I suggest is doing more things intentionally that is uncomfortable. So that could look in many different ways. Maybe you're not as social as you want to be. You need to go out there and be more social and break those subconscious patterns and let your subconscious mind know it's safe. You need to go to that home, showroom thing where you go and look at all the nice homes that you want to live in. You need to go test drive that car. You need to go on these dating apps and dating advice or getting a dating coach. You need to go do stuff that is uncomfortable to you. And I know this is easier said than done because I've personally struggled with social anxiety. I've struggled with going out and meeting people. Now I'm just the type of person that loves meeting new people, connecting with people, building relationships, and it's automatic for me. And I don't have any anxiety within me when that happens. When I first meet someone, there's a little bit of uncomfortableness, but for the best part of me, it's like I don't really care anymore. And so my subconscious mind is aligned to that particular reality being safe and comfortable and normal and familiar to me. And so it's about breaking those patterns. Also, obviously, you can rewire yourself, you can recondition yourself to do those things in business, in your life, whatever it is that you want to create in your life. So please understand, in order to maintain a high vibration, you have to understand that your subconscious mind is not necessarily designed to make you feel great all of the time. You have to go out of your way to feel great. You have to condition your mind to express gratitude, to do things that you wouldn't usually do, and retrain your mind, rewire your mind in a way where greatness is your new norm, is your new normality or neutrality. The second thing that I want to share with you is when I was first learning about the law of attraction, nobody was interested. I was trying to share it with everyone. I was trying to show people, hey, this is amazing. Like, this is gonna change your life. And I'd show them the movie The Secret and they would fall asleep whilst watching it. And I was like, what the hell is going on? Why is no one interested in this stuff? And so I started blaming people for how I felt about them feeling about what I knew and what I was learning. And so I was getting to the point where I was pointing the finger and saying, you know, you're the reason I feel bad. You're the reason I'm experiencing this. You're the reason I'm experiencing that. And I understand some people, they're in a narcissistic family, a narcissistic relationship, an abusive relationship. Some people are just in a bad environment. I grew up in the ghetto. And so I know how it's difficult to not blame others. It's very easy to look at your external reality and be like, this is wrong, I don't like this, I don't like that. And then saying, you know what? I surrender. I will take full responsibility for what I'm seeing in my external reality. That is one of the hardest things to do, especially when your external reality doesn't look like you want it to look. You know, a lot of people, they have a hard time realizing that your duty in life is actually to realize that your history, your past, and the past of your ancestry, okay, so your parents and their parents and their parents and their parents and their parents have a certain code to it, certain vibrational frequency to it, and it's led to you being in this particular environment for whatever reason, this particular experience right now. This is no accident, okay? Everything that you're experiencing right now is a result of your ancestry, what they've been through, karma. We can look into the DNA and all of this stuff in terms of the law of attraction, and it's now a part of who we call you. And you're manifesting, you're creating your experience right now, you're creating your reality. And it's your duty to create new karma. It's your duty to heal. It's your duty to reprogram yourself. It's your duty to become greatness. You have the information which your ancestry probably did not have. You have the tools, you have the access to the internet. There's literally no excuse why you can't transform your life. Providing that you don't have a major disability, providing that you're not seriously ill, providing that, you know, all of these things, right? And I understand, but there's still stuff you can do in those particular states. If you're listening to me right now and you're watching me right now, there's still some things that you can do to improve your life. This video is not to make you feel bad, but to bring to your awareness that you can absolutely 100% transform your life for the better by dealing with the past, or what I like to call memory. Memory is DNA, memory is in your mind, your traumas from the past, hurts from the past, all of this stuff holds you back from creating your dream life. All this stuff holds you back from maintaining a high vibrational state. So I know through working on myself and shifting myself and doing energy healing and so much work on myself, the person I was before compared to the person I am now is completely different. And I understand the person that I am now is creating a completely new reality compared to the person before. If I was still the same person before, I would be on a different timeline right now. Probably wouldn't be creating this video, and who knows, I might be taking drugs or something like that. What changed for me is taking full responsibility for everything in my life. And this is another teaching by Neville Goddard. Everything is you pushed out. Okay, everything is you pushed out. Once you understand that everything is you pushed out, you'll radically shift your life. You have the power to heal your external reality by healing yourself. Be the change that you want to see in the world. The last thing I want to share with you is creating a gap between where you are right now and what a high vibrational state actually is. Maybe in your mind, it's something that you have to reach for, it's so far away, it's hard to maintain, or it's hard to get. You have to eliminate that it's hard to be in a high vibration. You have to eliminate that it's far away. You have to eliminate that it's not possible for you to experience a high vibrational state consistently. It's totally possible, and you have to begin showing yourself and proving to yourself that you can feel good now consistently. And the only way to do that is realize the gap that you're creating, right? The gap that you're creating between high vibration and where you're at right now. They should be one and the same. No, that's just who I am, a high vibrational person. You know, comment that below. I'm just a high vibrational person. I am someone that's consistently a high vibrational person. I see myself as a high vibrational person. It's just who I am. I can't help but be a high vibrational person. You can go on a run and just keep on going. I am a high vibrational person. I'm just the type of person that's high vibrational. I see myself as high vibrational. I'm a high vibrational person. Sorry, I can't help it. I'm a high vibrational person. It's normal for me to be a high vibrational person. It's safe for me to be a high vibrational person. All parts of me are ready, willing, and able to be a high vibration. It's normal for me to be a high vibration around others. It's always normal and natural for me to be a high vibration around others. I am a high vibrational person. And as you begin to do this and condition this, that you are a high vibrational person rather than it being something that you're reaching for, trying to maintain, or something to get, now you're just going to be high vibrational person. You're acting as is and realizing that you are part of this source and substance, what we call God or is, and you don't need to actually do anything to be high vibrational. You just are it. And so when you look within and realize that you are consciousness and you're a part of love and it's not outside of you, you create so much power within inside of yourself, and it will dramatically change your life. So I want to ask you, would you like to manifest your dream life? Would you like to take your business to the next level, maybe manifesting more clients, more sales? Well, in that case, I would love to help you. Right now, we're seeking spiritual entrepreneurs, healers, coaches, practitioners who want to take their life and their business to the next level. So if that sounds like you, then click one of these videos right here or watch my previous video on how to master your reality. And remember to keep learning, keep growing, keep expanding, and I'll speak to you soon. Peace.